How to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum on Huobi. First of all, open the app on your device. From the main dashboard, tap on the trade option at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap on Spot from the top. Here you will see different trading pairs such as Bitcoin or USDT or Ethereum or USDT. Choose the pair that matches the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Now enter the amount of USDT or any stablecoin you have that you want to use, and select buy Bitcoin or buy Ethereum depending on your choice. You can also switch between market order for instant purchase or limit order if you want to set your own price. Once you confirm your order, the system will process your trade and your newly purchased Bitcoin or Ethereum will appear in your spot wallet. You can review your transaction details anytime under the My Orders section. Now you know how to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum on Huobi. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.